Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the app not compatible error on Shopify. If you've ever tried to download an app from the Shopify App Store and encountered this issue, you're not alone. Many Shopify users face this problem, but I have a simple solution for you. First, log into your Shopify store. I'll demonstrate with an example. Click on Settings at the bottom left of your dashboard, then select Apps and Sales Channels. Let's say you're trying to download the TikTok app, but it shows as not compatible. Here's how you can easily resolve this. Go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings, then General. Next, click the icon next to your billing address and change the country to the United States, France, or any country in Europe or the United States. For instance, select the United States and choose any random state. It doesn't really matter. After saving the changes, proceed to download the app. Once the app is downloaded and installed, return to the same settings and change the country back to your original location. For example, if your default country is Morocco, select Morocco and save the changes. Now, you should be able to download apps without encountering the compatibility error. I hope this video helps you resolve the issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll respond to each one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.